Hey Amanda, what brings you in today?
I have really tight jaw,
Yeah,
and I have like some clicking as well.
some clicking. Okay, how long has it been going on for?
A couple of years.
A couple of years now? Okay, does it become painful at all?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. When did you first notice it happened?
I think I woke up and then my jaw kind of felt like restricted, like I
Mm-hmm.
couldn't open it
Yep.
fully.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay, so, and how many years ago did you feel like it started?
Maybe like 2, 3 years ago.
Okay, and have you felt recently that it started to calm down a little bit now?
A little bit.
Okay, yeah. So in terms of the clicking, it's still there, but the symptoms have calmed down quite a lot. Okay, easy enough. Have you seen anyone for the jaw or the mouth at all? Okay, all right. Not a problem. Any grinding you're getting at the moment?
Don't think so.
Okay. Have you had any teeth issues before?
No, I had braces when I was younger.
Okay, yep. And do you still wear a retainer at the moment?
No.
Okay, fair enough. Permanent retainer?
No.
Okay, easy done. All right. So in terms of clicking, where are you getting the clicking at the moment?
Just like
On both sides?
on both sides. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Is one more painful than the other?
I think this side sometimes.
Yep, so more on that side?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you get any headaches at all?
Like time to time.
Okay, where is the headache?
It's usually at the front.
At the front there?
Yeah.
Okay, nothing in the face at all?
No.
Okay, good. Any neck pain?
Yeah.
Okay, where do you get the neck pain?
At the back.
In the back there? Okay.
Yeah.
Does it ever go up into the head or anything at all?
Sometimes.
Yeah, sometimes as well. Okay, when you feel the neck get a bit worse, do you feel like it changes your jaw or not really?
I don't think I've noticed it.
Okay, that's a good sign. Okay, cool. All right, we're just going to do an assessment now and just see how you're going. Okay, so what I'm going to get you to do is just open your mouth nice and slowly. Good, and then come back in. Cool. All right, I'm just going to feel for some of the muscles first. So, not too sore. Okay, a little bit tight through there. Okay, going to come to the face. Okay, is that painful at all?
No.
Okay, and then try to open the mouth. Okay, cool. Did you feel a click or anything?
No.
A little bit when you returned
bit,
it, yeah. Okay, try again. Okay, and then back in. So it's a bit of a delay, like you feel this one kind of move first, this one clicks, and then this one kind of pops back in.
Yeah.
Okay, but it's not painful right now? Okay, easy done. If I do that, try to open again, and then back in. Okay, that's not painful?
No.
No, okay, easy done. Are you able to bring your bottom teeth forward by any chance? Is that painful? All right, come back in, and can you move your teeth to the side? Yep, and then the other side. That's not too bad. Okay. Interstitial bone, which is it's a stability bone in your throat. Okay, it might be a bit uncomfortable. Shouldn't be painful. Okay, we just need to see if it's actually moving or not. Sorry. Do you feel it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's moving. It's not painful.
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Doesn't feel too tight, which is good. Sometimes if this gets tight, it can kind of pull on your jaw because all the muscles in the bottom connect up and the top connect down, so it's moving pretty well. Assessing again, so just feeling through here. It's not painful at all. I might start on the outside. Is that painful? Okay, cool. So I'm going through. Not too sore?
No.
Very good. Okay. Soreness there?
No.
Okay. Very good. Okay, coming through here. So just try to open up again. Okay, yep. And then come back in. So there's a click at the very end. Okay. So I'm just going to help you here. Okay, try to open again. Okay, come back in. Bit of audible click at the end. Okay, try to bring your teeth forward, your bottom teeth forward.
Mm-hmm.
All right, and try to open again. And then back in. So you're still getting the clicking on this side, but did you feel this side was a little bit less?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so something to address with that. Okay, I'm gonna try one more thing. You're okay there?
Mm-hmm.
All right, try to open again. Okay, and close. Try to open again. and then close. Okay, so still a bit of clicking here. Not painful though, yeah? Okay. So we might be able to change this one, but we'll have to review and see if we can do this one. You okay? Okay, cool. Clicking itself, it is usually due to the disc in the jaw. It is slightly displacing, so it's coming out of its socket, and then the clicking is when it returns back into its socket. So for the most part, if you check everyone's jaw in this building, 1 in 4 of us will have that issue. Maybe 1 in 3, just depends on which papers you look at. So it's very common. It doesn't become an issue unless you have pain. So for myself, I do have a clicky jaw as well, but it's not painful. So usually, if it's not painful, we don't mess with it. The disc will remodel with time and it will become a structurally sound thing. And that usually takes anywhere from 2 to 3 years. So if you have pain initially, 2 to 3 years later, it does feel better. That makes sense? Okay, so that's kind of following what's happened with you. So for the most part, I won't play with it too much because I don't want to piss it off and then get it to become painful again. That's the main thing with the clicking. But with the pain, that's something we can address. We can try to release some of the muscles probably on the inside of the mouth and just see if it moves a bit more smoothly afterwards. Okay. Okay. Just relaxing. If you do feel like you're gonna gag, pinch your nose. Okay. Okay, cool. We'll start with one of the upper muscles first, so just relaxing. Okay, just relaxing in. Is that painful? That's very nice. Do you feel the muscle there? Mm-hmm. It's not too painful? Mm-hmm. Cool. Okay, cool. If I come out, try to open again. Okay, close. Any difference?
A little bit.
Yeah? Try again. Okay, cool. And close. So still clicking on this side. This side is still a little bit pronounced, but not as bad. All right, I'm going to try to go in again. Different muscle this time. Yep, and just relax your jaw. This one is the one that is a bit gaggy. Mm-hmm. So, you're okay there? Mm-hmm. Do you feel kind of gaggy? Mm-hmm. Sorry. Bit gaggy? Mm-hmm. Just relax again. Just relax again. Yep. There you go, that's what I'm looking for. Does that feel kind of gaggy? Yeah, sorry. This one's probably the nastiest one we're going to do. Give me a thumbs up if you're okay. Cool. Alright, just relaxing. Alright, try to open again. Any difference?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Is it still painful? Cool. It's not clicking as much as well, which is good. Okay, cool. Getting most of the clicking on this side as well. So, okay, cool. Still a little bit of displacement at the end. So try again one more time. Yeah, just that little one at the end. We'll try it on the other side. See if it makes it yeah. Painful, almost.
It's not
yeah, it feels really tight through here. Okay. Thumbs up if you're okay. Yep. Is it painful at all? I just really like. It should only be at most a little bit uncomfortable. You shouldn't really feel like. Mm-hmm. You okay there? Okay, cool. All right, try again. Okay, all right, and one more. Yep, and just relaxing. This one's the kind of yucky one. Don't bite my finger, please. Okay. So if you feel like gagging, let me know. Kind of gaggy?
Okay.
How's that feel? Yeah, I feel like the muscles on this side are just really tensed up at the moment. Okay, you okay?
Yeah.
All right, try again. Okay, clicking's gone. Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not as painful?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. So we did something. I'm gonna just assess and see how your joint movement is. Okay, so I just have to go back inside your mouth. Okay, so just relaxing. Yep, just relaxing there. Okay, just relax your jaw, trying not to bite me. Excellent. All right, so here and, well, that feels a bit tight. Is that, yeah, she feels a bit tight. I'm not hurting your face at all. Yeah, she's tight. So all I'm trying to do is just gap the joint here, and it's barely moving. It's a bit stiff and jammed up there. So I'm just going to go for a couple reps. I'll see if I can do a couple reps with translation. You're okay? It's not painful, yeah? Cool. Just a bit of tension. Just trying to relax your jaw. Relax your jaw. Yep, sorry. There you go. You can feel that a bit more. It's moving a bit more slowly. Okay, cool. Sorry, just relax. Try to open again. Go again. Close. Oh, it's not deviating as much. Okay, cool. You must have been just really locked up on that side. Cool. Some sort of lateral deviation. So your jaw is, if this is your jaw, it's coming out, it's shifting slightly this way, and then it's clicking back into place there, okay? So what we need to work on is to ideally make it a bit more smooth. And the way we can do that is by, it's called a mobilization with movement. So we're going to decompress, which we're going to give you some gap in the jaw, and then allow you to move it, okay? And I'll teach you how to do that at home by yourself, okay? Don't really need the gloves anymore, so you're right if I'm still gonna be touching your face, but I wouldn't need. Okay, so I'll show you how to do it. It's similar to how we did the assessment before, and then I'll teach you how to do it yourself, okay? So my hands might smell like alcohol, so all I'm gonna do is just find the processes, try to open again. Yep, and then come back in. Okay, so it's right there. That's the condyles we're looking for. So just a bit of tension there, okay? And then try to open. Good, and close, okay. So I want you to open just before the point of it clicking, okay? And then back, so a little bit less than that, try again. Good, and back in. Good, not painful. Go again. And then back in. Go again. Back in. All right, 2 more times. Last one. It's not too painful. All right, try again, full range of motion. Okay, it's still that little bit at the end piece. Okay. All right, take a break. How's that feel? Good. Try to open again. Okay, so that little bit at the end. So it's definitely more on this side. This side's kind of stopped now, which is good. It's just this side specifically. Try to open again. Better? Okay, cool. So I'm just being a little bit more specific. Go again. Okay, and then back down. Maybe I do need to go back in your mouth for a little bit. Cool. Takes a bit longer for it to come on, yeah? Yeah. Okay, cool. So I can teach you how to do this at home. So using your own hands. So, yep. Yep. So you know the scream painting? Yep. This is the same exercise. So with your hands here, I want you to put them on your head just like that, kind of a little bit higher. Yep. And then with kind of this part of your palm, like the thinner eminence, you're going to just pull down on kind of where I was before. Okay, so we're just gapping that joint. All right, go for it. Open again. Good, and then back in. So still a little bit of clicking, but it's not painful, yeah? Good. Go for 5 reps, please. Cool. You're okay? It's just because it's like a smooth surface and you've probably got like makeup and all that kind of stuff off, so you'll slide a little bit. But if you feel like the click is coming back a little bit more intensely, just reposition. Add that little bit of distraction. Cool. Cool. All right, and take a break. All right, go for a move again. Not as bad? Cool. All right, so that's one exercise. Yep. Okay. The second exercise I want to do is we need to start to work on more just stabilizing the jaw again. Okay, so this will be a very generalized exercise program. Later on, we'll gauge how you're improving, and then we can tailor it depending on how you go. All right, so for this one, you can probably sit up for me. Okay, so what I'm gonna get you to do is hand under your fist, okay? You're gonna use this hand to support your elbow. And all I want you to do is, it's an isometric contraction. So you're just gonna try to open your mouth against your fist, and your fist is acting as a wedge. So I don't want you to think about punching yourself in the face. You're just keeping everything here, and then trying to open and gap. Okay, good. You can keep it a little bit more closed, and then just relax. So you're gonna hold it for about 5 seconds. So go again. 3, 4, 5, come back in, and just 3 more reps, so 5 reps total. And then, good, all right, take a break, give it a move, see how you feel. How's it feel?
Feels good.
Yeah, not clicking as much? Yeah, still a little bit of deviation, so we'll go into like the finer tuning muscles later, but this is just general for now. So for your home project, pushing up, 5 reps. This one, 5 reps, and you want to do it throughout the day, so about 5-ish times.
Okay.
Easy?
Yeah.